Doha, the capital city of Qatar, transforms into a vibrant and dazzling metropolis at night. Doha at night is a mesmerizing sight with its illuminated skyline, waterfronts, and cultural landmarks. The city's skyline is a striking mix of modern skyscrapers and traditional architecture. Buildings like the Burj Doha, Tornado Tower, and Aspire Tower stand out with their unique designs and colorful lights. This area is particularly vibrant, with a high concentration of illuminated high-rise buildings reflecting off the waters of the Persian Gulf. A beautifully lit, crescent-shaped promenade that curves around Doha Bay. It's a popular spot for evening strolls, offering breathtaking views of the city lights. Traditional wooden boats, often adorned with lights, cruise along the waterfront, adding to the picturesque scene. An artificial island development featuring luxurious residences, upscale shops, and fine dining restaurants, all beautifully lit and buzzing with activity. Qatar Cultural Village, this cultural hub, is illuminated at night, showcasing its theaters, galleries, and the stunning open-air amphitheater. Waterfront Tower is a notable skyscraper that serves as the headquarters for Qatar Fuel. The tower is a prominent feature of Doha skyline and is particularly striking at night. Stands at 171 meters 561 feet tall, making it one of the taller buildings in Doha. From an aerial perspective, the tower stands out amidst the cluster of buildings in West Bay, its lights contributing to the overall mosaic of the illuminated cityscape. The tower's lighting complements the other illuminated structures in Doha, creating a harmonious and captivating nighttime skyline. The Museum of Islamic Art in Doha, Qatar, is a world-renowned cultural institution known for its stunning architecture and extensive collection of Islamic art, designed by the famed architect Impe, who is best known for his work on the Louvre Pyramid in Paris. The museum features a striking geometric design inspired by traditional Islamic architecture. Its exterior is made of limestone, which appears to change color with the shifting light of the day and night. The museum is surrounded by a park and a promenade, both of which are also lit at night. The park provides serene walking paths and spots for visitors to sit and enjoy the view. Mia Park, located adjacent to the Museum of Islamic Art, is a beautifully designed public space that offers a serene environment for relaxation, recreation, and cultural activities. Its proximity to the Museum of Islamic Art, combined with its stunning views and well-maintained facilities, makes it a favorite destination for residents and visitors alike, both during the day and at night. Burj Doha, also known as Doha Tower or the Torch, is an iconic skyscraper. Located in the West Bay area, the tower stands at 238 meters, 781 feet, with 46 floors. The exterior is covered in a complex lattice structure made from steel, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides functional shading. Tornado Tower, also known as Kitco Tower, is one of the most iconic skyscrapers, standing at 200 meters, 656 feet, tall with 52 floors. The tower features a distinctive hyperboloid shape, resembling a twisting tornado. This unique design is achieved through a combination of curving and slanting surfaces. The Corniche is a prominent waterfront promenade that stretches along the eastern coast of the city. It is a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering stunning views of the Arabian Gulf and the city skyline. The Corniche provides panoramic views of the sea and Doha's modern architecture, including the iconic skyscrapers of West Bay. It is a favorite spot for residents and visitors to walk, jog, or cycle along the paved pathways that run parallel to the coastline. Many people enjoy the sea breeze and the peaceful ambience, especially during the cooler evenings. Our Corniche Street is a significant thoroughfare that runs parallel to the Corniche waterfront promenade along the eastern coast of Doha. Street spans along the waterfront of Doha, starting from the iconic Oyster and Pearl Fountain in the north and extending southwards towards the Souk Waqif area. The Islamic Cultural Center is a prominent institution that serves various roles in the community, focusing on Islamic education, cultural activities, and community outreach. The center aims to promote Islamic culture and values, educate both Muslims and non-Muslims about Islam, and foster a deeper understanding of Islamic traditions and teachings. The center organizes cultural events, exhibitions, and performances that highlight Islamic art, architecture, calligraphy, and literature. Nusret is a popular chain of upscale steakhouse restaurants founded by Turkish chef Nusret Ceek, also known as Salt Bay, specialize in high-quality cuts of meat, particularly steaks, prepared with meticulous attention to flavor and presentation. Located in the West Bay area of Doha, this Corniche offers a quieter and more residential atmosphere compared to the bustling Doha Corniche. It's known for its tranquil waterside views and is a favorite among local residents for leisurely walks and picnics. These Corniches and waterfront areas in Doha showcase the city's commitment to providing attractive outdoor spaces for recreation, leisure, and cultural activities, while also highlighting Qatar's coastal beauty and rich maritime heritage. Each offers its own distinct charm and amenities, catering to different preferences and interests of residents and visitors alike. The Pearl Qatar is a man-made island located off the coast of Doha. It features a network of promenades and marinas surrounded by luxury residences, shops, and dining establishments. The Pearl offers picturesque views of the Arabian Gulf and is a popular destination for leisurely walks, dining with waterfront views, and enjoying the upscale lifestyle. Each area offers its own unique ambience and amenities, catering to various interests and preferences.